My name is Bob. This is an awesome series we'll be starting about Bob's Book Buddies. Is that the most awesome title ever, or what? I think it's amazing. So, some of my friends have come and they're reading their awesome stories, and we get to listen to them. You will have the chance, just like me, to listen to the amazing stories. So get something comfy, gather your friends and family, and take a look at our awesome series. Catch you later.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Embry, and I'm the librarian at Hubish Elementary School and Ridgecrest Elementary. Today, I want to share with you one of my all-time favorite books, Crash, Splash, or Moo. Do you like action? Are you a good guesser? Then get ready to play Crash, Splash, or Moo. How to play. Fearless daredevils perform amazing stunts, and you guess what happens. Will they crash? Will they splash? Or will they moo? Guess right and win a delicious banana. Guess all the stunts right and you will win the best prize in the world, the secret prize. Let's meet the team. Action Clam. First, it's Action Clam, America's favorite splashy, crashing stunt clam. And this cow, who does cow stuff. And I'm your monkey host, Mr. McMuffins. Come on, let's play. Stunt 1, if Action Clam drives the speedy race car into a giant tower of blocks, what do you guess will happen? Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. Raise your hand if you guess moo. All right, here we go. Crash! Did you guess crash? Give yourself a big round of applause. You just won your first banana. All right, stunt number 2. Cow, a skateboard, and a super duper mega looper. Okay, for your second banana, can you guess what amazing thing is about to happen? Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. Raise your hand if you guess moo. Did you guess moo? Give yourself a big round of applause. You win another banana. You're a really good guesser. All right, Frankie 2 Bananas, let's see if you could guess the next one. Stunt 3, Action Clam, and a really faraway glass of water. For the next sweet treat you eat with your feet, what do you guess will happen? Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. Raise your hand if you guess moo. Did you guess splash? Wow, you give yourself a big round of applause. You win another banana. Does that make 3? That's plenty to share with a banana-loving pal. One more stunt until the big one. Stunt 4, Cow, a motorcycle, and 10 school buses. Okay, Smarty Banana, what do you guess? Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. And raise your hand if you think moo. Moo! Moo! I did not see that coming. Did you guess moo? Give yourself another round of applause. You win yet another banana. And now, a stunt so big, it has an extra special name. The big one. This is for the best secret prize ever in the whole wide world. Action clam, cow, a rocket pack, a piñata, and a vat of butterscotch pudding. Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. Now raise your hand if you guess moo. Raise your foot if you want a banana. Crash, splash, and moo! Did you guess crash, splash, and moo? Give yourself a big round of applause. Do you know what else that means? You win the world's best prize. That's right. You win a golden banana. Here's a big golden banana applause for you. See you next time for more stunt guessing banana style action. The end. I hope you really enjoyed this book. It is one of my all-time favorite books. And I hope it didn't make you too hungry for a banana. Until next time, see you later.
Was that an amazing stories or what? Stories and reading just make my day. If you think you have a suggestion for a book you'd like to hear read, you can hit me on Insta at Battle of the Books 580, or Twitter at Bob Lawton 580, or Facebook at Bob Lawton. And would it be cool if everybody sent pictures or video of yourself while you're reading or listening to the story? Use the hashtag at Bob's Book Buddies. Hashtag me. Ha ha ha. Hashtag. That's a funny word, but I like it. All right. Catch you next time. Keep reading and love the books. See you later, everybody.